Hello viewers, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make a Hotmail email address on your PC. For this, open Google Chrome, search here Hotmail, click enter, click here, now click here create free account. Now you can select here, you can make a outlook.com or you can make a Hotmail. Select one you want, click next. Now create a password here. If you want a promotional emails from Microsoft, you can tick here, you can untick. Enter your first name here, enter your last name here. Click next. Enter your country, enter your birth date. And click next. Now enter the text you are seeing here in the picture here. And click next. Click here. You can change your language, your time zone. Seems good. Click here. Select your theme here. Click here. Now you can add your signature here. Whenever you send a message, it will automatically appear below the message or mail. Click OK. Now click here, let's go. Congratulations, you just created your Hotmail. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates.